Good morning. It is Sunday, September 3rd, 2023. I'm Brandon, here again with another episode of my running journey. For a 5K, well, the start of the journey is a 5K race in Atlantic City, October 21st. Today, we're going to be doing 10 by 400 meters. All right, my pace I'm looking for each lap or each set, about 145, 150. That would be around a 7:15 minute pace per mile. All right, so we're just working on that today with a little build up, because as we get further along in this running journey and my programming, I'll speed up these intervals. But yeah, so 10 by 400 meters. We're here at beautiful Cooper River Park, Pennsauken, New Jersey. All right, see how this goes. Hopefully I can hold that pace every lap. All right, see you there. Today's a big day. Get these intervals in. 10 times 400 meters, which would equal 4,000 total, or 4K. Take a lap, maybe 2 laps, then we'll start. All right, just took that warm-up lap, feeling good. All right, we're about to do round 1 right here, about 20 seconds. A little fast. What did I say, 150? 140, 150?
145, 150.
That was fast.
Real fast? You start off strong? You start off so strong?
Yeah, but it's because I know I'm only doing 1 lap. So I can slow down to start off. Yeah, I did start fast.
lightning striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world. Run. Run.
Getting slower.
Definitely getting slower.
Rep 8 was 132. Everything else was 127 or below. So what's that? 5-second drop off. was 10. It's a little rough there that last 2, 3, but we got through it. Definitely went ahead of the pace I was shooting for, but I don't know, to me that's a good thing, because it's like I know I can slow down, and I don't have another big workout in the future. I think I got maybe an easy run tomorrow or Tuesday, so that way I can recover from the effort I just put out today. But overall, I mean, I'm proud of myself. Maybe we are getting faster, who knows? We won't know until that race day.